Okay.
We walked through the village of Scheffau in the first video. Now it's time for some skiing.
And so the fun continues as we go out for skiing. We took the gondola ride to reach the place where the fun begins.
It was snowing hard in the beginning, but skiing in snowfall was thrilling and amazing.
Beginners will rejoice in various wide slopes to be found here. It is extremely adventurous and adds a lot of fun and cheer. Known for some of the best snow in the ski belt, that is Scheffau's image. Long challenging north-facing runs to the valley and an attractive village.
After a nice ski session, you can enjoy après-ski. It is social activities and entertainment after fun-filled skiing.
Good food and live music keep the mood set. You can also have food on top of the mountain and enjoy a nice sunset.
Taking the last gondola ride down, what did we do next?
There is a lot more fun in the next video. We are just not done yet.